This is Cyndy G. In this video, we're going to assemble the bride favor box. So I have pre-inked my edges. You can distinguish the top from the bottom because the bottom is just a little bit longer than the top so that you have something to grab onto to open it. And then we just have these pieces. So here with the two side pieces, you'll notice that the sides go up, so you'll want to make sure that you've got those in the right place. And then the one that's straight across just goes there on the back. So we can just go ahead and put our panels on. Whatever color flesh you want, that will be the color of your box lid. So keep that in mind. And you just want to line it right up to the bottom. This isn't very big, it's 2 inches square. I think 2¼ inches tall. Would have to measure it again to make sure. The lid is 2 inches all the way around, but again the bottom's a little bit taller, so it's 2¼ inches tall. Okay. Then you've got your little flower here for the front. You can see how that lines up there on the sides. Okay. Now, she does have some pearls, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run a glue line all the way down. And there are no score lines on this. You're just going to fold it over where it fits. Okay, so that's why I ran the glue line all the way down. So that, and I'm going to do the same thing with the ribbon. I think I'll need a little bit more glue than what I put on the pearl necklace. And this is just going to line up flush to the bottom. I'm going to hold it and fold it over. Okay. Just pinching it to make sure that it is sticking well. And give it a good crease as you fold over the edge. And there it is. Pretty quick and simple. And that is the bride favor box. Thank you for joining me.